doesn't say it, so they're not.
No, they don't even know yet. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Good? Yeah.
You gonna put yours in there? Oh yeah, kind of backpack might be important.
I don't know if I can fit it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I think that'll fit. That'll fit. Ted. Good work, fellas.
Sorry, TSA agent. Do you need me to take this off? You gonna pat me down or something?
You gonna pat? Yeah. Thank you, Joe. You want some?
Yeah, I don't know how this works.
You want some?
Some? You just need one. I have one card.
Oh, okay. You don't want just an extra one, just in case.
Sleeve for your card.
Hello.
Hey.
You guys excited?
Like,
Yeah. So
see
cool.
you there.
I got my.
I mean, I could also log in and do this while I'm in Europe, but I'm gonna do it right now.
And I was about to call.
Gonna give
Joy, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. They already know you're an American as soon as you open your mouth.
Yeah.
I should be like,
here.
Fucking just doing tricks.
All right, let's find this gate.
Yeah.
No, that's like Amsterdam.
No change.
We shouldn't just ditch Jack. Jack should have.
Well, you know what?
Here, you go.
We know that
go
the
get.
gate,
You'll be with Jack.
What time is it?
Go, Jack.
About the same time as walking. It was way smarter to just go to that smaller place with the pool. No, we made the wrong choice. What do you mean?
I'd rather have that fucking sandwich.
I'm gonna steal all your guys' luggage space.
Closer to the camera.
So flat. So fucking flat.
Not a goddamn hill. We made it. Yeah. What was her name?
Oh,
That's what's up. That's bird up.
What's up?
all right. Huh?
Nothing. I was like, I'm looking on nervous. Who wants the double bed?
DK and I.
Okay. You're so good.
Oh my god.